Hi guys, this is me again, Shay, and question of the day, paano nga ba sisimulan si low carb? Pag-usapan natin yan today habang isinishare ko sa inyo yung aking first meal of the day kasama ng aking black coffee. So kung excited ka na malaman yan, make sure to keep on watching. Good morning guys! So yes, it's morning today and eto, samahan nyo ako sa aking first meal of the day. So, meron akong egg and meron akong black coffee. Pang mabilisang meal sa aking umaga, guys. And lately, I've been super duper busy, guys. I've been super duper tired din. So, this is a quick catch-up video for you guys to let you know kung ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede nating gawin to start in changing your lifestyle, especially if you wanted to try doing low carb and fasting journey na rin. So, ayun guys, so sa last video na in-upload natin dati ay nabanggit natin na for us to start changing our lifestyle para mas maging healthy yung ating pag-change ng lifestyle. Isa sa mga tip doon is to make sure to properly manage yung ating stress level. So, paano nga ba natin gagawin yun? So, wait lang. Haluin nga muna natin tong ating coffee. So, today guys, number one that I do is to have a pause. Pause, as in literal na tumigil na muna sa paggawa ng mga normal routine ko na ginagawa, especially for my business. For me to be able na matulungan ang aking mga financing challenge, ganyan. So, sobrang back-to-back lately, guys. Kwento ko lang ang aking mga challenges when it comes to financial, so sa business, and sa personal. Super duper back-to-back talaga, guys. So, napaka-importante if you wanted to manage your stress level is mag-pause muna tayo, guys. So, this is my way to pause and sharing with you all. I have to really stop doing what I am doing ng tuloy-tuloy everyday or ng aking routine everyday para naman, 'di ba? Para at least meron tayong time for us to be able to think, for us to be able to rest. So, kung ikaw today ay super duper stress na, mag-pause ka muna, magpahinga ka muna, and ayan, gawa ka muna ng mga ibang bagay na gusto mong gawin. So, for me, I love eating, I love doing videos, I love coffee, and ayan, so hindi talaga easy yung mga days and weeks ko, guys. So, sobrang nakakaloka kasi I'm a one-woman team. I do marketing, I do editing, I do vlogging, I do filming. Lahat ako yung gumagawa, guys. And sobrang literal nakakapagod talagang gawin yan everyday. So, kung ikaw ay may mga normal routines na sobrang napapagod ka na, mag-pause ka na muna, mag-stop ka na muna. So, today, I decided nga in the morning na I will cook my meal, yung pinakamabilisan kong meal. Magko-coffee ako. I will do vlog to share with you guys. I will have my black coffee. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ano ba yung favorite nyo, guys? Sunny side up, scrambled, or boiled egg? Madalas na, lately na nagiging favorite ko, guys, sa eggs ay sunny side up sa morning. So, normally nga pala, guys, is hindi ako nagbe-breakfast kasi sobrang busog na ako sa aking last meal. Especially kapag full low carb talaga yung aking meal. Mga 12 na ako nagla-lunch. Pero 'di ba, as always, we have to listen to our body. Kung gutom, kain basta low carb. Kapag busog na din, mag-stop ka na. Tip number 2, after you pause is we need to analyze. So later ko na gagawin yung pag-a-analyze, guys. Analyzing for me is also writing. Mas madali kong naiintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay kapag sinusulat ko siya sa aking notebook. Ano ba yung mga bagay na nakakapag-stress sa akin lately? Ano ba yung mga bagay na magagawan ko ng paraan? And ano ba yung mga bagay na ipagpapa sa Diyos ko na lang or isasantabi ko na lang kasi it's something out of my control. So, alam ko guys, na-share ko na ito mga matagal na sa aking mga vlogs before. Way back 2021, I was really having a challenge, super duper challenge on my personal thing. And napag-gain din ako ng weight, nahirapan ulit ako na mag-lose ng weight. I was really stressed out. And nung nakabalik ako, I just realized that hindi naman lahat kailangan natin kontrolin. If may mga bagay na hindi mo na talaga kontrolado, kailangan mo talagang bitiwan. And it's something I'm really doing my best to practice. And way back that day, 2021 guys, kasi diba 2019 ako nag-start kay low carb. Way back 2021, I just realized no matter how healthy yung mga kinakain mo, no matter how strict you're doing low carb, kung stress out ka naman sa mga bagay-bagay, hindi ka talaga magiging successful. And it's something na ayoko na talagang maulit guys. 2022, 2023, and ngayong 2024 and more. Kasi sobrang hirap guys dahil kapag hinayaan mo na ma-stress out ka, alam nyo ba na every time that our body gets stressed out, naglalabas or gumagawa din siya ng product na sugar na nagpo-produce din sa katawan natin. So, nagkakaroon din tayo ng sugar production sa ating katawan. So, ibig sabihin nun, kahit gaano ka-strict, napakababa ng sugar na kinakain mo, may sugar pa din na ma-produce because yung stress level na meron ka is bonggang-bongga na. So, it's something na ayoko talagang maulit. Kaya yun yung iniingatan ko. So, today, I'm having a super duper stress out weeks and days. And I just wanted to pause, guys. I just wanted to analyze na ano ba yung mga bagay na kailangan kong bitiwan? Ano ba yung mga bagay na kailangan ko nang hayaan? Ipagdadasal ko na lang, itataas ko na lang sa Diyos, ganon. So, tip number 2, analyze, pero take note guys ha, do not over-analyze kasi again, bawal nga tayong ma-stress, di ba? Dito na tayo sa ating pangalawang egg guys. Ayan, nasa pangalawang egg na tayo mga meal. Next naman is for me, para ma-manage ko ang stress level guys, is to do the things I really love. Today, I'm thinking I would love to do some writing. Sulat ulit ako ng mga goals ko, mga dreams ko, mga things to focus, mga achievements ko. Number 2, gusto kong manood ng mga motivational videos to refresh my mind. And also, one thing na nakakatulong sa akin guys, is to do a quick meditation. Ewan ko kung ako lang, pero nakakatulong sa akin even 10 to 15 minutes lang to have a quick quiet time, to do, makikinig ka lang ng relaxing song na gusto mo or relaxing na motivational video na gusto mo. Nakakatulong siya sa akin. Hindi naman totally na matanggal lahat ng stress level na meron ako, but Nakakatulong siya to relax my mind, my body, para parang mag-connect ulit sila sa reality ng nangyayari sa paligid. So, if tingin mo interesting sa'yo to do meditation, you can check, 'di ba? You can search naman and see kung ano yung mag-work sa yung klaseng meditation. Sa akin, super simple lang. I just need to be in a quiet space, quiet place dito sa house. Mga 10 to 15 minutes lang, and I need to have, ang tawag nito, yung aking, meditation, motivation. And I need to have yung motivational na video na papakinggan ko, yung something na nakaka-relax. Tapos, medyo okay na ako, and I can proceed doon sa pag-analyze ng things, 'di ba? Ayun, so I really love meditation. After you pause, after you analyze, after you do the things that you love, is syempre, how to manage our stress level is to slowly restart doing the things that you need to do, doing the things that you love to do. So, restart ulit tayo, magsimula ulit tayo na mag-focus sa mga bagay na kailangan natin gawin. Okay, and kapag dumating ulit yung time na ayun na naman po si stress, ayun na naman siya, dumadating na naman siya, gawin natin ulit na tumigil, i-analyze ng mabuti ang mga bagay-bagay kapag talagang nakapag-relax ka na dun sa pause na ginawa mo. And then, try to do the things that you love muna. And if you feel that you are okay, then you can do the restart. So, as of the moment, guys, nasa level 1 pa lang ako, which is I'm doing a pause. Always remember, guys, ha, eto naniniwala ako na if stress plus bad lifestyle is equal to unhealthy you. Ayan, so kahit ano yung pagiging nutrition strict mo, kahit ano yung gaano kagaling sa paggawa ng lifestyle na sinusunod mo, kung stress na stress ka naman habang ginagawa to, hindi ka talaga magiging successful. So, make sure that you are doing the thing that you love to do, but make sure hindi ito something na nakaka-stress sa iyo. So, ayan guys, nubos ko na yung ating pangalawang egg. So, ayun, that's my day. That's my start of the day today, and I just share with you guys how I do my pause. Because normally, I'm doing live. I'm doing a lot of things in the morning. Sometimes sabay-sabay doing ng mga gawain sa bahay, ganyan, and more. And I decided right now to sit down, have my meal, talk, and do the things I really, really love. But I'll enjoy my pause time muna. Ayan, so ubusin ko na yung aking black coffee. I hope nakatulong itong vlog na ito, guys. So, again, if isa ka sa mga taong katulad ko na super dumadaan sa sobrang stress level these past few months, weeks, or days, mag-pause muna tayo. Analyze properly kapag nakapag-properly pause ka na. Number 3 is, gawin mo muna yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa iyo, makakapagpa-improve sa iyong mind, sa iyong body. Basta anything that make you happy, gawin mo muna. And lastly, saka ka na mag-restart. Okay? So, again, if it's anything that's out of our control, bitiwan na natin. Naubos ko na yung egg, guys, and I'm hoping this vlog helps you, kung gusto niyo ng mga ganitong type of vlog, guys, please make sure to click on like. Make sure na mag-comment down below sa mga questions, feedbacks, or mga gusto nyong next na video na pag-usapan natin. So, tatapusin ko lang itong aking black coffee. I'll do some more relaxing thing today muna bago ko gawin yung mga kailangan kong gawin for me to be able to refresh. Okay? So, iwas tayo sa stress, guys, and keep going lang. I will see you on my next vlog. Okay? Make sure to subscribe for more upcoming weekly videos soon. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks. Bye!